Welcome to the overview of BATON tutorial. By the end of this video, you will be able to describe what is BATON, describe BATON usage model. Let's first understand what is BATON. BATON is the leading next-generation enterprise-class automated file-based QC solution. BATON can be easily integrated with different workflow technologies to ensure seamless quality checks, QC, at various stages of the content lifecycle, such as ingest, edit, transcode, playout, and archive. Let's look at some salient features of BATON. Simplified and a very user-friendly, intuitive interface. Support for comprehensive quality checks, including standards compliance, regulatory checks, and baseband checks in the industry. Support for the detection of loudness issues in compliance with standards using CALM, EBU, and others. Supports for a host of subtitle and CC formats, both embedded and standalone. BATON supports ABR-specific checks on large volumes of VOD files, encoded at different bit rates to ensure that the prepared content meets service provider and end-user quality expectations. BATON supports QC from a variety of content locations, such as local folders, shared or UNC folders, FTP locations, S3, Google Storage, Azure Storage, HTTP locations, etc. Ease of deployment with pre-configured test plans for DPP, Netflix, Cable Labs, and a full list of delivery standards. Quick content profiling without verification that helps you understand various properties of the media file. Most comprehensive and configurable reporting in multiple formats to suit your operational needs, with support for multiple languages, including English, Chinese, Spanish, and French, among others. Support for hybrid QC to support a combination of automated and manual QC checks for a well-integrated and efficient broadcast workflow. Support for a set of rich content-aware, rules-based pre-post QC filters for efficient content verification workflows. Support for popular cloud computing infrastructure services. Scalable architecture that lets users expand the BATON farm as their QC needs grow. Support for high availability to ensure that the system continues in the enterprise environment, even if one or more BATON components are down. Most comprehensive integrations with media servers, transcoders, MAM, archiving, and workflow solutions through its easy-to-use web service-based APIs. With these features and capabilities, BATON has been adopted globally by broadcasters, OTT, post-production houses, IPTV, and archiving companies working with file-based media. Having understood what is BATON and how it can help you with your file-based QC needs, let's now look at the BATON usage model. BATON picks up the media files from the specified content location for QC. In the next step, BATON verifies the media files against the selected test plans or the checklist of specified parameters through auto or manual QC process. Once the verification of media file is complete, BATON generates a verification report about all the errors and warnings in the media file. In addition, BATON performs post-QC actions, such as sending the file with errors to the quarantine folder and the file with no errors to the playout folder, and sending files for correction to BATON Content Corrector, BCC, and sending alerts to concerned people about errors and warnings in the media file. Let's now summarize what we have learned in this video. BATON is the leading next-generation enterprise-class automated file-based QC solution. BATON provides comprehensive quality checks, including standards compliance, regulatory checks, and baseband checks to the industry, including PSE or flashiness checks. BATON provides most comprehensive and configurable reporting in multiple formats and multiple languages. Support for the detection of loudness issues in compliance with standards, including CALM, EBU, and others, and provides options for loudness correction. BATON has scalable architecture. Support for high availability to ensure that the system continues in the enterprise environment even if one of the hardware components is down. BATON provides support for popular cloud computing infrastructure services. Thanks for watching the video. In case of any query, please feel free to contact us at baton_support@interrasystems.com.